Hi friends, how are you? I'm Arhan, and today Giganotosaurus and Indominus are fighting. Indominus.
Oh, it's so scary.
It's so tall. Ah! You can just... There's a apartment here. It doesn't do any action, but it does move his legs. Big tail, big body, arms, legs, and big nails.
Oh.
And look at his teeth. They have dirty teeth.
Yeah, dirty teeth.
Yucky. I don't like dirty teeth. You can move the tail and swing it out.
Oh.
You want to see the sound again? It's green. Dinosaurs already have this dinosaur. Giganotosaurus. Look at his mouth. You want to see? I'll show you what this is. It have dirty teeth, right? Just like the Indominus have.
Yes.
And if you push this button, it makes the other sound. And the other button also. And this, if you turn the head, it makes sound when it makes. There's two different sounds. One is for twisting the head, and one is for rolling.
Wow, it has a big body
It's
and a
black
big
and
tail.
green.
Yeah. Oh, a tail can move.
We have a battle damage. And then the claws is bigger than I thought. You want to see the claws? Giganotosaurus have big claws. Look at this. There's an apartment here. It's called a DNA.
Yeah.
Giganotosaurus. Let's have a battle. Huh? Oh.
So Giganotosaurus is winning?
Already the Indominus wake up. If someone any dinosaur gets hurt, it will, when it sleeps, it'll wake up. Aya!
Oh. Who won?
Giganotosaurus wins.
Yay!
Giganotosaurus won the battle. You want to eat? Bye friends. Thank you for watching.